Are you worried that Instagram might be tracking your location? You're not alone. And the good news is you can stop it in this quick tutorial. I'll show you exactly how to turn off location sharing on Instagram to protect your privacy and feel more in control of what you're sharing. The process is pretty quick and simple, and it will work for both iPhone and Android devices. So if you are an Android user, just follow my steps. I'm going to open the Instagram app on my phone and then make sure you're logged into your account from here. We'll have to access our Instagram settings page, and we can do that by going over to your profile page right here. Then find and tap on these three horizontal lines at the top right corner of the screen. This will get you to the settings page, and that is just what we need. I'll scroll down towards the bottom of this page because I'm looking for a button that's called Device Permissions, and it should be under the Your App and Media section. Here it is. So I will open this, and then you'll have the option to customize what Instagram can and cannot use from your phone, since we want to disable location services or GPS. I'm going to tap here. It says here that if you turn off location services for Instagram, it stops the app from using your phone's GPS to track your exact location. That means it won't tag your posts or suggest content based on where you are. But keep in mind, Instagram can still get a rough idea of your location using your IP address and the network you're connected to. So it's not 100% private, but it does give you more control. So let's click on this button called Update Device Settings, and that will redirect us to our iPhone's or Android settings page for Instagram. You will see a bunch of stuff which we can customize here, but let's select the location option at the top. And if you want to disable GPS for Instagram completely, just select the Never option. And then Instagram won't be able to use our phone's location information in GPS. But if you don't have the device permission section in the Instagram app for some reason, then you can open the settings on your phone, then scroll all the way down and open the app section. Once on this page, we're going to search for Instagram in order to open the Instagram settings page in here, and then repeat the step from the first part of the video. That is how we can turn off location sharing for our Instagram app. If you have any questions or suggestions, please make sure to leave them in the comments down below.